Hey everybody, this is a quick review of the Kitsure dish drying rack. So this one here is really nice and convenient. Not only does it have these extendable arms to make it easily applicable to any sink size, it also can be used over the counter like we currently have it. So it's got this drainer under here. The water will go right into there, into those holes there. So the bottom is kind of caving in so that the water leaks into it, and then it'll just go here, come out of the sink, come out onto the sink. And yeah, I mean, it's a very spacious thing here. For a family of 3, this is perfect. Even a family of 4, this will work really well. Anything more than that, you might start getting a little bit of extra accumulation. Things will get really taxed. But as far as like storage wise, you've got the holes here for spoons and forks. Over here you can do like knives, so it's got a split here in the middle so that you can differentiate those, and it's got a pretty good amount of space here, so you can fit bowls and different salad dishes and dinner dishes. So you got a ton of things that you can do here. The quality works really great too. There's like no staining or scratching or discoloring here, which is good too. So overall, very satisfied with the product here. No issues whatsoever, and it's really lightweight as well, so it's easy to move it around.